We've taken our photographs in the GoPro Fusion and we need to remove the tripod from the bottom of the screen. To do that, we're going to require Photoshop Creative Cloud 2018, and I've already got my tripod photograph here, the one that we're going to remove the tripod in, so the panoramic from the Fusion. So let's click on that, and I've saved it as a TIFF because originally it was the raw straight out the Fusion camera, and at the moment it's in a 2D view, so you can only see what's in front of you. At this point we're going to do some global adjustments. Automatic's a bit bright, so I'm just going to adjust the exposure up a little bit and drop the contrast just ever so slightly. All looks good. Now we're going to remove this tripod from the bottom of the screen. So let's open the image, and we've got our standard Photoshop view. So let's go ahead and maybe just adjust the layers a little bit. So let's open up a new layer, just to adjust the levels, and that's Command J, sorry, or Control J. I'm going to adjust the levels ever so slightly. You don't have to. I'm just doing it so that you can see that you can have multiple layers open. Doesn't matter. And that looks okay, so okay. Now I need to go up to the 3D view so that we can remove the piece of trash and also the tripod. So up to the top, 3D, spherical panorama, and new panorama layer. So click on that and it will open up a 3D viewer. Now you can rotate 360 all the way around the image. There you go. You can go up and you can go down. And when you go down, we can see the tripod and also that piece of trash that I never noticed at the time when I took the photograph. So always be aware of what is around the tripod. So let's use the Lasso Tool and we'll go around that piece of trash. Once we've selected it, we can press Shift F5. It will open up the full layer, and we're going to use Content Aware. And that's it gone. Same again with the tripod, just loosely go around the tripod. Okay. Now, I notice that there's a bit of purple around the tripod, so let's add a little bit more to it. So you can always add to your selection just by using the add at the top. Okay, that one looks a little bit better. Again, Shift F5, Content Aware, OK. And now it's gone. So now in your 3D view, Command H to hide the marching ants, and as you can see, as you scroll all the way around, now what you want to do is you want to save that image. So you'll go up to 3D again, spherical panorama, export panorama, and you're going to export it as a JPEG, and it will be on Facebook or social media. It will know from the metadata that this is a 360 image. Save. You can now go to the GoPro VR player or a similar VR player. Select the file. So we are going to go and we are going to grab that file. And it's there. And as you'll see now, it's in full 360 view. You can zoom in and out. And there's your 360 panoramic image with the tripod removed. So this was a video showing you how to remove the tripod from your GoPro Fusion 360 photograph using Photoshop 2018.